On September 5, 2018, a 10-member Russian Perovo expedition team once again entered Veryovkina cave. Their mission was to collect samples of rare species. They invited two photographers, Robbie and Jeff, to document the expedition. The team leader was an experienced explorer named Pavel. The Perovo team had previously reached the cave bottom several times and was extremely familiar with the deep sections. The 10 people descended through the entrance one after another. First, they had to pass several hundred meters of rope routes, then hold their breath while swimming through siphon tunnels clogged with water and mud. They also had to force equipment inch by inch through narrow rock crevices. Along the way, they laid communication cables between camps so messages could be transmitted in emergencies. On the fourth day, they finally reached the deepest camp at 2,100 meters. There they explored new corridors, collected samples, took photographs, and stayed for 7 days. Everything went smoothly. What they did not know was that it had already been raining continuously on the surface for an entire week. Later, a local taxi driver told the team that the raindrops during those days were as big as fingernails. At this moment, the entire limestone mountain was like a gigantic sponge pierced with countless holes. Normally, light rain slowly seeps through cracks and drips into the cave little by little, producing only faint dripping sounds. But once this massive sponge becomes saturated, at some point underground, the rock layers can no longer withstand the pressure. Water suddenly bursts